Gotcha. Yeah, so sorry about that. I kind of set you guys up a little bit, and the reason I set you guys up for a little bit, is because I want you to really learn from what's going on here. So, when I asked you to define best, what paper airplane is going to be the best, you have two variables that you're looking at: the paper airplane, and then best. So what you define as best becomes really important, because remember, in science, we want to isolate variables. We want to test one thing at a time. And so what we find in a lot of your discussion posts is that you are going way beyond what you need to go. You're not keeping it simple. You're trying to do too many variables at once. So let's look at it this way. If I want to say that the best plane is the plane that goes the furthest distance, then I need to leave it at that, because that's one variable, distance. Okay. Now, a lot of you, I notice, I'm not picking on anybody here, but I want you to understand what's going on. A lot of you said that the plane that goes the furthest and the highest is the best. Okay. Now, great. Pick one. Okay, because I can have a plane that goes the furthest but stays a foot off the ground, and then I can have another plane that goes 37 feet in the air but only goes 2 feet in distance from where the thrower stands. So at that point, which one is the best in your definition? You have two definitions within one that are causing confusion to both the experimenter and someone who were looking at the experiment from an outside point of view. So let's limit that best definition to one variable. Well, really it's two. The paper airplane is one variable, and then the best is, what is that paper airplane going to do that other paper airplanes won't do as well? So flies the furthest, looks the best, flies the highest, does the most backflips, can do the most barrel rolls. I don't know. It could be just about anything, but it's going to be one anything. Then the second problem we have with some of these best definitions is the fact that we want to go where the experiment isn't ready to go yet. So there's a few posts in there that talk about why the plane that is the best, that is going the furthest. So they've defined it as best is furthest, but then why is it going the furthest? You're not ready for that yet. Right now, we just want to determine the best. And then once we determine the best, that experiment could lead us into further questions, and that's where you're going to early. So if we say the plane that flies the furthest is the best because it has the tightest folds and heaviest weight towards the front, you're going way too far, way too early. We're not there yet. Right now, we just need to determine which of the three planes is the best. Then once we determine which of the three planes is the best, then if we wanted to, we could extend that into trying to determine why does the plane fly the furthest, and start looking at wing size, or number of folds per plane, or overall size of plane when it's all folded up. There could be lots of different variables we could look at that point. And again, if we did get to that point, we would want to isolate one variable at a time, kind of like your numbers game. We want to make one guess at a time. Does it follow the rule? Does it fit with the rule? Is it different from what the rule suggests? And then we can start to make headway and figure out why the best plane is the best plane. Does that make sense? I hope so. So you might need to tweak your definition of best. Two variables, the paper airplane, and then what it does to become the best, or to be thought of as the best. So fix that. You don't need to post it, just have it up here so that when you have to fix your hypothesis, because I threw you into another trap probably, you'll be ready to fix it. And we will post those fixed hypothesizes for everybody to kind of maybe get with a buddy and comment on those. So let's get after our hypothesis. Next video will show you how I trapped you there, and then from there we'll rewrite those, and then we'll be ready to talk about experimental design elements. So have it up here. Be ready to rewrite your hypothesis in a minute when I throw you under the bus again. It's been fun. I look forward to the next meeting with the bus. Until then,